Hey besties, today I'm gonna be telling y'all how to make slime. Sadly, I don't have none of the ingredients, but I have one, and that's water. But before we do that, I'm also gonna put like a photo of what the ingredients are on the board. Boom, boom, boom. And yeah, y'all been loving like the slime videos I've been doing. Not really, I love them personally because who doesn't love slime? And we're gonna be we're gonna have another video. We have a lot of videos to do, and comment down below if you're excited for a new video like we do. But today, this is my first time, wait, pause. This is the first time you see my hair out in like a while. I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime. And this is like, if you want it stretchy, that's a lot of good stuff to put in there. And one hacks like that I really recommend. And if you wanna make a good bubble, stick it on there. I did a video of trying to make a bubble with me, and it didn't turn out. If I could do that in the video, that would be so great. Yeah, so let me show y'all how to make slime. Wait. Before you get started, make sure to subscribe button to become a bestie. If you don't know what a bestie is, it's the bestie on the internet, which a little secret of mine, I recommend you to become. So yeah, now let's get into the video. I think that was smooth. I don't know. But the first ingredient to slime is the glue. And the glue, I'm going to put a photo of, what color of glue should I do? Pink, because this is pink slime. I'm going to put a photo of pink slime right here. Now, where you put the glue in is you find a plastic container. This is all the stuff you need. A plastic container, a top, charms if you want, and a spoon. Yeah. So then you get the slime that you like thinking. You get the glue because the glue is the most important thing because the glue is what makes the color, if that makes sense, or dye. But you get okay. Back to the video. You get any color glue that you would like, which I like. It's kind of obvious. It's pink. But you can also get white and all that. The second thing that you need is activator. Activator brings it together. And like if you're trying to I put a photo of activator right here. If you're trying to bring something together, then I recommend you to use activator because that's how slime is really made into slime. Like, oh my god. Guys, I made this bubble. This needs to be, I'm back guys. Okay. So yes, you put the activator in, then you gotta mix it up with the spoon. Get the little container, you mix. Oh, yep, you mix. Then when you're done mixing, it is time to add foam. You might be like Mackenzie Elizabeth Allen, never say that again to me. Why do you need foam? Alicia, look!
That's actually super cool.
Why do you need, it's easy. How do you need foam? Why do you need? Yes, when you put foam in, sorry I can't see my face, it makes it more stickier. It's like lotion. Let me get lotion. When you put lotion into slime, let's break these into pieces. And we're going to compare them. Because y'all don't know that lotion, well, I don't know if you did know. Lotion makes things stretchier, and I'm going to split it up just in case. Get my bowl, put it in here. Put it in here. Now, when you put this in, if you see, oh my gosh, it gets stretchier. It smells really good too. So, I recommend. Let's do a little comparison, and it really helps with bubbles. Let's do a bubble with this. Yeah, it's just because it's little. But y'all can see that it's more stretchier. Yeah. I'm back. Yeah, let's try to make a bubble, guys, because I want to make a bubble so bad. If y'all don't know, I've been trying to make like a slime collection and like a fidget collection. Just like, I put some more lotion on it because if y'all don't know, lotion makes like slime so much better. Stretchier, if y'all can't see. Let's try to make a bubble and not try to prove a point. I'm not proving a point. You hear me? Wink, wink. Usually if you're not proving a point, it does good. Okay. Okay. Let's do that. Bruh! I'm literally about to fight my own self. Guys, why am I playing with slime when we're not doing this video? Okay, guys, yeah. So you use foam to make it. No. Agree. What? Oh, okay. This is the slime. It looks like it just got beat up by lotion. I was trying to beat it up with my hands. Oh, see how I got like so much like stretchier and kind of sticky, but at the same time it's not. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate it. Now it's time to mix what you dye, put in the food coloring in, all the charms. Now, y'all know what time it is. Some more foam. You guys, you could never go wrong with more foam. Because foam is the best thing that you could foam me found. Fine. Do you get it? Foam? Foam? I hope you get it because today, this is a commercial for today. What? But I'm so for real, guys. Like, that channel brings back so many memories. And it's like a commercial for my old channel, but I just wish somebody can have a little bit of grace and now and get raised good by their parents to know not to steal something from somebody you don't know or for somebody you know, because how would you feel if I stole something from you? At least you wouldn't feel good. You would be like, oh my gosh, that's something I really love. But at least I had a phone that got taken away that we're not going to talk about.
Me?
No, Alicia. Wasn't talking about you. And I'm trying to prove a good point, guys. Don't steal if it's not yours. Because did you buy it with your own money? No. So who said you could touch it? You didn't get permission to take nothing with your dusty, musty, dusty hands from me. Did I say you could touch it? No. So why touch something that isn't yours? Am I right? Amen. Now don't touch anything, and this is not sponsored by lotion, but don't touch anything with your lotion dusty hands that I don't know where they've been. They could have been in a dungeon because you're actually in danger and you're trying to take it out on the people. Well, guess what? That's just not my problem. Alicia, am I just talking right now? Huh?
Yeah, you're rambling.
Yeah. The moral of the story, don't take stuff that isn't yours because it's not yours. I cried so hard because, like, I don't know where your hand's been, so don't touch my stuff. I think that's that simple. Yeah. Let's put W's in the chat for my sake, brother. I'm not even recording you. You're just doing that for no reason. Yeah, guys, so let's put W's in the chat because he is sick. Yeah, but that's the ingredients to make slime. Oh, I forgot the part. Make slime. Mix it with Mackenzie. Mix it with Mackenzie. Like cooking with Mackenzie, but mix it. Yeah, guys, I love when I add lotion into my slime. So good.
You want these onions in it?
But yeah.
And the cilantro?
I added more lotion, guys, and it is like so sticky. But guess what? That's the point of slime. Hi guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this quick little how to make a slime. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.